Hello everyone, I'm Rupal from Industrial Outlook magazine and we are here for RA 2023. Let's start this conversation with a brief introduction of Sir.
Hi, I'm Honey Raza, Business Director of Solis India, and very warm welcome for REI. This is a great opportunity for us to showcase the good products, the new innovative technology which we have, and really we have got a very good response from the customers. It has been a jam-packed, booth, so really a very good response this year.
Is there any new product launch from Solis side?
Uh, every year, Solis is known to have innovative products. So this year we have launched the biggest inverter of solar industry in string, that is 350 kilowatt solution. And not just this, but integrated with the latest technology and latest algorithm of LVRT and HVRT, compatible with the latest CEA guidelines, as well as the reliable solution. Along with this, the storage has been a very bullish segment for us. So not just we are confined to residential, but now we are striding towards the commercial, where we are trying to replace the DGs completely with our solution. So and it's also a good solution as well in terms of the commercial viability.
Okay. Could you shed some light on your hybrid solutions?
So hybrid is divided into two parts. One is the residential and one is the commercial. So residential, as you know, that we are compatible with both batteries, the lithium ion as well as the lead acid. The second solution which is coming up is the 50 kilowatt solution for the residential. It is coming up with the high voltage, high frequency volt inverters. That is, it can be integrated with the lithium ion battery banks. Now, this solution, if you don't want to go ahead with the maximum investment of solar, the batteries, we are advising to go ahead in the two phases. Firstly, go ahead only with the inverter and the batteries, which can replace your 100% of the DG requirement, and then transit to the green energy by integrating in the next year or next to next year the PV modules. So that would make your capex investment a little bit flexible. So that is how, and since the government policy in the Delhi NCR of replacing all the DGs and low reliability on the diesel will make it possible and more, a viable solution.
We are attending RA from last 3 days. So what will be your biggest takeaway from here?
See, the biggest takeaway is, of course, understanding the customers and to that closer level. We are not able to get so closer and so, the feedback. You get the good feedback as well as you got some feedback for improvement. So it's always a good thing to improvise in the better way, as well as there are some gaps which need to be fulfilled. And of course, everyone loves the appreciation also, which we are getting.
If we talk about quality and reliability, how Solis is working on their, quality, reliability, and safety of their products.
So, as you know, Solis has been more than, now the 16th year in the industry. And particularly, we have been very much, aggressive in Indian market right from 2015. So, if you see, our numbers are speaking for our reliability. We have got the market share of 24%, making us a torch bearer and making us the number one rank in CNI segment. And similarly, we are close to 1 gigawatt in the utility segment, and we are getting a very good response. We are getting all the orders which we are getting is the repeat orders from the customer. Customer are satisfied. You talk about any new developers like Adani, Tata, Renew Power, Azu Power. Everyone knows Solis and they have already tasted and tested our products.
Do you see difference business in India or international market?
See, every market is different. If you go in the Southeast Asia, they have the different challenges. But the beauty of Solis is that the R&D team is inclined and they are dedicated to provide you in solution and also within a specific time. So timing is very important. If the time is lost, you have lost the opportunity. So we are, if you see right from, once the net metering issue was there, we have launched our zero export solution. Now storage is the bus. We have launched our CNI hybrid inverter. Similarly, all the predictive analysis, the artificial intelligence, all is getting integrated in our inverters. So you will, in the coming years, you will see more segments, more verticals with better technology.
So if we talk about solar industry's future, what are your outlook for solar industry?
I think we have a very good future. In next 2 years, we are supposed to will be commissioning somewhere around 20 gigawatts, and I think the road is a very good golden road for us. And when you work for the industry, when you contribute a little bit towards the green energy, where you want to save a planet, whatever efforts, so it makes a lot of a good and a good feeling at your heart.
Before concluding this interaction, would you like to send any message to your customer?
The message is same. The Solis is developing the clean technology to power the world with clean energy.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time.